scope is already clean, and I clean it after every patient contact as force a habit on my calls. So we're gonna be listening to the lung sounds today. In and out. In and out. In and out. One more time.